Say hi, Nana. Hi, Papa. Yeah, do you miss Nana and Papa? Yeah, they're gonna be home soon. Say I miss you. Say I miss you so much. Please come home soon. Oh, you're so excited? Do you want to FaceTime with him tomorrow? You know what Papa's gonna say? You can say, Pachi in the chicken! You can say, Pachi in the chicken! Say, I love you. Say, I miss you. Oh, you wouldn't go up? Say, bye, I love you. Bye, Mom. Bye, Dad. We love you.